In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PDF in Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know the two simplest ways to bring a PDF into your notes, when to use each method, and a few practical tips to keep everything neat and easy to work with. Let's start with the method I recommend most often, inserting a PDF as a printout. This places each page of your PDF directly onto your OneNote page as images, so you can write, highlight, and annotate right on top. Open OneNote and head to the page where you want the PDF to appear. At the top, click Insert. In the menu, choose File Printout, or it may be labeled PDF Printout depending on your version. In the File dialog that opens, select your PDF and click Insert. OneNote will add every page of the PDF in order, laying them out as images on your page. If your PDF is large, give it a moment to render. You'll see the pages appear one after another. Once the pages are in, treat them like pictures. You can click and drag to move a page around, resize it by pulling the corners, or write and draw on it using OneNote's drawing tools. This is great for marking up contracts, homework, or handouts. If your pages feel a bit big, scale them down to fit more on the screen, or spread them out so you have room to take notes between pages. OneNote often recognizes text in printouts for search, so later you can find a term and jump right to the page where it appears. Now, if you don't need the pages visible and just want the file handy in your notebook, insert the PDF as an attachment. On the same page, click Insert, then choose File Attachment. Pick your PDF and select Insert. You'll see a small icon for the file placed on your page. Double-clicking that icon opens the PDF in your default viewer whenever you need it. This keeps your notes cleaner and can help performance if the PDF is very long, while still keeping the file with your notebook so it's easy to access. To recap, use a printout when you want to read, highlight, and write directly on the PDF inside OneNote. Use an attachment when you just need the file stored with your notes without showing all its pages. Both methods live under Insert, and both keep your PDFs right where you need them. Try them out and pick the one that matches how you like to work.